begin by understanding the core of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur is someone who spots business opportunities, gathers resources, and takes calculated risks to launch a new venture. Their goal isn't just to earn profit, but also to create value for society. Entrepreneurs are the driving force behind innovation and progress, shaping industries and economies. They're not just business owners, they're visionaries who see possibilities where others see obstacles. Throughout this video, we'll explore what sets entrepreneurs apart, how they differ from managers, and the essential skills and support systems that help them succeed. Entrepreneurs share several important traits that fuel their journey. First, they have vision, a clear sense of where they want their business to go. Risk-taking is another hallmark. They're willing to step into the unknown for greater rewards. Innovation is at their core, constantly introducing new products or methods. Persistence keeps them moving forward, even when faced with setbacks. Finally, leadership is crucial, as they must inspire and guide their teams toward shared goals. These qualities combine to create resilient, forward-thinking individuals who drive change and growth. While entrepreneurs and managers both play vital roles in business, their responsibilities and mindsets differ significantly. Entrepreneurs are creators. They start new businesses, bear risks, and constantly seek new opportunities. Managers, on the other hand, focus on running existing operations efficiently, following established policies and plans. Entrepreneurs are usually owners, driven by growth and value creation, while managers are employees aiming for stability and target achievement. Understanding these distinctions helps clarify the unique contributions each brings to an organization. Business plan is the blueprint for any new venture. It's a written document that outlines the business idea, objectives, strategies, market analysis, operations, and financial forecasts. This plan acts as a roadmap, guiding entrepreneurs through each stage of development and helping attract investors. A solid business plan not only clarifies the vision, but also anticipates challenges and opportunities, making it an essential tool for success. Comprehensive business plan includes several key sections. The executive summary gives a snapshot of the business, product, market, and financial highlights. The company description details the mission, vision, ownership, and location. Market analysis examines the industry, target customers, competitors, and trends. Marketing and sales strategy covers pricing, promotion, and distribution methods. Finally, financial projections provide forecasts for income, cash flow, and break-even analysis. Together, these components offer a clear, structured view of the business's potential. Great business ideas can come from many places. Personal experience often sparks inspiration, as entrepreneurs notice problems in daily life or at work. Market gaps, unmet needs, or poor quality products offer opportunities for improvement. Customer feedback provides direct suggestions for new products or services. Technological changes open doors to innovative solutions, while competitor analysis reveals weaknesses to capitalize on. By staying observant and curious, entrepreneurs can uncover valuable opportunities all around them. Solving business challenges creatively involves a structured process. First, clearly identify and understand the real problem. Next, generate a wide range of ideas using techniques like brainstorming. Then, evaluate alternatives by considering cost, feasibility, and benefits. After that, select the best idea and develop a detailed action plan. Finally, implement the solution and review the results, making improvements as needed. This approach ensures that solutions are both innovative and practical. Securing funds is a crucial step for any new venture. Entrepreneurs often start with personal savings, investing their own money. Family and friends may provide loans or investments on flexible terms. Bank loans offer structured financing options, while government schemes provide subsidized loans and support. Angel investors and venture capitalists bring in equity funding, especially for high-growth startups. Each source has its own advantages and requirements, so choosing the right mix is essential for business growth. Record-keeping is the backbone of any successful business. It involves systematically maintaining all financial and non-financial transactions, either in written or electronic form. Proper records ensure legal compliance, help measure performance, and provide critical data for decision-making. They're also essential for obtaining finance, as banks and investors rely on accurate records. Regular checks help prevent fraud and errors, safeguarding the business's assets and reputation. Building a strong team starts with effective recruitment. The process begins with manpower planning, identifying the number and type of employees needed. Next, job descriptions and specifications are prepared, outlining duties and qualifications. Vacancies are then advertised through various channels. Applications are screened, and suitable candidates are selected through tests and interviews. Finally, appointment letters are issued, and new hires are inducted into the organization, ensuring a smooth transition. Financial controls are essential tools for monitoring and regulating a business's financial activities. They help ensure that resources are used efficiently and risks are minimized. Methods like budgeting, cash flow management, expense approval systems, and bank reconciliation keep finances on track. By regularly reviewing financial data, businesses can spot issues early, make informed decisions, and maintain stability and growth. Let's look at 4 key methods of financial control. Budgeting involves planning income and expenses, then comparing actual results. Cash flow management forecasts inflows and outflows to avoid shortages. Expense approval systems ensure only authorized payments are made, reducing misuse. Bank reconciliation compares records with bank statements to detect errors or fraud. Together, these methods help maintain financial discipline and transparency. Commerce has revolutionized the way we buy and sell goods. It refers to conducting business transactions online, allowing operations around the clock and across the globe. E-commerce reduces operating costs and makes data collection easier. There are various types including B2C like Amazon, B2B such as IndiaMart, C2C OLX, and C2B freelancer platforms. This digital approach opens up new opportunities for both businesses and consumers. Internet advertising is a powerful tool for promoting products and services. It uses online platforms like search engines, social media, display banners, email marketing, and influencer partnerships. The main advantage is precise targeting. Ads can reach specific audiences based on interests and behavior. Internet advertising is also measurable and cost-effective, making it a preferred choice for modern businesses looking to maximize their marketing impact. District Industry Centers, or DICs, are government agencies at the district level that support micro, small, and village industries. Their functions include identifying and motivating potential entrepreneurs, conducting development programs, assisting with project reports, and guiding entrepreneurs in securing loans and subsidies. DICs also provide valuable information on government schemes, markets, and technology, acting as a one-stop resource for budding businesses. Cadre and Village Industries Commission, KVIC, plays a vital role in promoting rural industries. As a statutory body under the Ministry of MSME, it provides financial assistance, raw materials, and training to artisans and rural entrepreneurs. KVIC also helps market products through dedicated outlets and implements schemes like PMEGP to generate self-employment. Its efforts contribute to rural development and the preservation of traditional crafts. National Small Industries Corporation, NSIC, is a government enterprise dedicated to supporting small-scale industries. NSIC offers marketing support, helps with bulk raw material purchases, assists in securing finance, and provides technology support such as testing and quality certification. These services help small businesses compete effectively and grow in a challenging market environment. Small Industries Development Bank of India, SIDBI, is the apex institution for promoting and financing micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs. SIDBI provides direct loans, refinances loans from other banks, offers venture capital, and implements government schemes. It also conducts training and development programs, playing a crucial role in nurturing innovation and entrepreneurship across India. State financial corporations, SFCs, and small-scale industries development corporations, SSIDCs, serve different purposes. SFCs mainly provide term finance to industries, including medium and large units, through loans and leasing. SSIDCs focus on supporting small and tiny units, offering not just finance but also marketing, raw material, and infrastructure support. While SFCs are pure financial institutions, SSIDCs have a broader developmental and promotional role. Production techniques vary based on the nature and scale of products. Job production creates unique items for specific customers, like custom furniture. Batch production manufactures groups of identical products, such as bakery items. Mass or flow production uses assembly lines for large quantities of standardized goods, like cars. Continuous production runs non-stop, producing highly standardized products like chemicals or power. Each technique suits different business needs and markets. Inventory control ensures that businesses maintain the right amount of stock to keep production running smoothly at minimum cost. ABC analysis helps prioritize inventory management by classifying items into 3 categories. Items are high value, low quantity, and need strict control. B items are moderate in value and quantity. C items are low value, high quantity, and require simple control. This approach helps businesses focus resources where they matter most. Marketing is all about identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customer needs profitably. Key functions include market research to understand customer preferences, product planning and development to meet demand, pricing strategies, promotion through advertising and sales, and physical distribution to ensure products reach the right place at the right time. Effective marketing drives business growth and customer loyalty. Market segmentation divides a broad market into smaller groups with similar needs and characteristics. This allows businesses to target their products and marketing more effectively. Segmentation can be based on geography, region, climate, demographics, age, income, psychographics, lifestyle, personality, or behavior, usage rate, loyalty. By understanding these segments, companies can tailor their offerings for maximum impact. Getting products to customers involves various channels of distribution. The direct channel connects manufacturers straight to consumers, often used for costly or customized items. One-level channels add a retailer, common for consumer durables. Two-level channels include wholesalers and retailers, ideal for fast-moving consumer goods. Three-level channels add distributors for wide coverage. Choosing the right channel ensures products reach the market efficiently. Factories Act 1948 sets out important health provisions to protect workers. Factories must be kept clean with proper waste disposal. Adequate ventilation and temperature control are required, along with sufficient lighting. Safe drinking water must be provided at convenient points, and separate, clean sanitary facilities for male and female workers are mandatory. These measures ensure a safe and healthy working environment. Industrial disputes arise from disagreements between employers and employees over employment terms, wages, or working conditions. The Industrial Disputes Act provides methods for settlement. Conciliation involves a mediator helping both sides reach agreement. Arbitration uses a neutral third party to make a binding decision, and adjudication refers unresolved disputes to a labor court or tribunal. These mechanisms aim to maintain industrial harmony. Employees State Insurance (ESI) Act provides a range of benefits to employees. These include free medical treatment for the insured and their dependents, cash payments during sickness, maternity benefits for women, and compensation for disablement due to workplace injury. In case of death from employment injury, dependents receive regular payments. The ESI Act ensures social security for workers and their families. Workmen's Compensation Act 1923 provides financial support to workers or their families in case of injury or death during employment. Its objectives are to offer quick and fair compensation, shift the burden of economic loss from worker to employer, and encourage safer working conditions. The Act ensures that workers are protected from the financial impact of workplace accidents. Payment of Bonus Act 1965 mandates that employers pay bonuses to eligible employees based on company profits. The minimum bonus is 8.33% of annual wages or rupee 100, whichever is higher, even if profits are low. In profitable years, the bonus can go up to 20% of annual wages. To qualify, employees must have worked at least 30 days in the year, and the Act applies to establishments with 20 or more employees. Entrepreneurship is a dynamic journey, blending vision, innovation, and resilience. From identifying opportunities and securing finance to managing production, marketing, and legal compliance, entrepreneurs navigate a complex landscape. With the right traits, support systems, and knowledge of laws and best practices, anyone can turn ideas into impactful ventures. Remember, entrepreneurship isn't just about business, it's about creating value and making a difference.